Welcome to this complete Mammoth Cave National Park travel guide. Nestled in the heart of Kentucky, USA, lies the world's longest known cave system, the Mammoth Cave National Park. With a labyrinth reaching over 400 miles, this natural wonder has been a source of intrigue and adventure for centuries. Whether you're a history buff, nature enthusiast, or thrill seeker, this park has something for everyone. Without further ado, let's dive into the top 10 things you absolutely must do at Mammoth Cave National Park. First on our list is the Mammoth Cave Tours. These tours offer an array of options, each presenting a unique facet of the world's longest known cave system. There's something for everyone, from the history buff to the adventure seeker. The Historic Entrance Tour, for example, takes you on a journey through time, revealing the cave's rich past. The Frozen Niagara Tour, on the other hand, showcases stunning formations that look like they've been frozen in time. For those who crave a bit of a challenge, the Domes and Dripstones Tour is a perfect choice. This tour takes you through tight corners and steep slopes, making for an adventurous and unforgettable experience. And then there's the Fat Man's Misery Tour. Don't let the name scare you away. It's all in good fun and the views are absolutely worth it. Remember, no visit to the park is complete without a Mammoth Cave tour. Next up, we have the Green River Ferry. This humble vessel has been an integral part of Mammoth Cave National Park since the early 20th century. The ferry served as a vital link between the two halves of the park, separated by the wide expanse of the Green River. It was, and still is, a lifeline for local communities and park visitors alike. The ferry's history is steeped in the rich tapestry of the park's past, echoing with tales of early explorers and settlers. Today, it offers a unique way to experience the park, providing a serene journey across the river, flanked by lush greenery and teeming wildlife. While the ferry may not be as grand as the cave systems or as majestic as the towering trees that fill the park, the Green River Ferry holds its own charm. It's a gentle reminder of the park's history and a testament to the enduring spirit of Mammoth Cave National Park. So don't miss out on this serene river ride. Third on our list is the Echo River Spring Trail. This trail is a true testament to the untouched beauty of the Mammoth Cave National Park. As you wander along this 1-mile loop, you'll be captivated by the lush greenery, the hushed rustle of the leaves, and the soft gurgle of the Echo River Spring. The trail is fairly easy, making it accessible to beginners and seasoned hikers alike. It's like a leisurely walk in the park, but with the added bonus of being surrounded by nature's grandeur. Along the way, keep an eye out for the diverse wildlife that calls this trail home. You might spot the darting chipmunks, hear the chorus of the frogs, or even catch sight of a white-tailed deer grazing in the distance. So, if you're a nature enthusiast or a photography buff, this trail is a paradise waiting to be discovered. So strap on your hiking boots and conquer this trail. At the halfway mark, we have the Historic Entrance Tour and the Mammoth Cave Wildlife Museum. The Historic Entrance Tour is a journey back in time, taking you through the original entrance of the cave used by early explorers. As you step into the cool darkness, imagine being one of the first people to discover this vast underground world. Moving on, the Mammoth Cave Wildlife Museum is a testament to the diverse animal kingdom that calls this park home. Here, you'll encounter a myriad of creatures, from the tiniest insects to the most majestic mammals, all preserved and presented in a way that celebrates their unique roles in the ecosystem. There is a certain magic in the air when history and nature intertwine, and that's exactly what these two experiences offer. Between the echoes of the past in the historic entrance and the vibrant displays of life in the Wildlife Museum, you're sure to gain a deeper appreciation for Mammoth Cave National Park. These two attractions provide a great historical and natural context to your visit. Next up, we have the Frozen Niagara Tour and the Cedar Sink Trail. The Frozen Niagara Tour is a spectacle like no other. The shorter route within Mammoth Cave National Park is named after its stunning stalactite and stalagmite formations, which resemble a frozen waterfall. Here, you'll find yourself immersed in an otherworldly environment as you traverse through the awe-inspiring subterranean landscape. It's a journey that truly encapsulates the magic of nature's slow and steady artistry. On the other hand, the Cedar Sink Trail offers a different kind of beauty. This trail takes you through a lush forested area leading to a massive sinkhole. The sinkhole, a natural wonder in its own right, is a testament to the power of erosion and the relentless passage of time. This trail is a gentle reminder of the silent yet persistent transformations happening beneath our feet. These two are a must-see for all nature enthusiasts. As seventh on our list is the Domes and Dripstones tour. This tour is a veritable showcase of Mother Nature's architectural prowess. It takes us deep into the heart of the Mammoth Cave system, unveiling a world of subterranean wonders. Imagine colossal domes that rise like silent sentinels carved by the slow drip of water over countless centuries. Then there are the dripstones, stalactites and stalagmites that seem to defy gravity, reaching out to each other in a timeless dance. These formations are a testament to the patience of nature, each drop of water contributing to the intricate sculptures that adorn the cave's ceiling and floor. As we journey through this labyrinth, we encounter a myriad of other geological features, from flowstones to helictites, each with their own story to tell. The Domes and Dripstones tour is not just a walk through a cave. It's a journey through time, charting the Earth's history in a way that no book or museum ever could. This tour is truly a geologist's dream. Next, we recommend renting a canoe or kayak. Unleash your adventurous spirit as you paddle through the serene waters of the Green and Nolin rivers. There are multiple river routes available to suit every skill level, from gentle currents for beginners to more challenging courses for the seasoned paddlers. As you glide through the water, embrace the tranquility of the natural world, with lush greenery on either side and the sky reflected in the river's mirror-like surface. Keep your eyes peeled for a diverse array of wildlife. Majestic birds of prey circle overhead, turtles bask on sun-warmed rocks, and if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of a playful river otter. Remember to pack your camera, because the photographic opportunities are endless, from the dappled light filtering through the trees to the silhouette of your canoe against the setting sun. These are memories you'll want to capture. And remember, this is a fantastic way to explore the park at your own pace. Last but not least, we have the Fat Man's Misery Tour. A distinct and thrilling part of Mammoth Cave National Park, the name itself is enough to pique your curiosity. Now, before you start questioning your fitness level, let me assure you it's all in good fun. The Fat Man's Misery Tour offers a journey through some of the most narrow passageways of Mammoth Cave. There's an undeniable sense of adventure as you squeeze through tight corners, duck under low ceilings, and navigate rocky terrain. The walls of the cave seem to close in around you, making every step an exciting challenge. While the tour might be a bit of a squeeze for some, it's a fantastic opportunity to see the cave from a unique perspective. The feeling of accomplishment when you emerge at the end is unparalleled. This tour is not for the faint of heart, but it's an experience you won't forget. There you have it, folks. Those were the top 10 things to do at Mammoth Cave National Park. We began our journey with the cave tours, where we explored the vast subterranean labyrinths, each one more breathtaking than the last. Then we hopped onto the Green River Ferry, a charming, peaceful ride that took us across the serene Green River. Our adventure continued with the Echo River Spring Trail, a path that meanders through a captivating landscape of springs and rivers, a paradise for nature lovers. We then stepped back in time with the historic entrance tour and admired the fascinating exhibits at the Mammoth Cave Wildlife Museum. We marveled at the frozen Niagara tour, a spectacle of nature's icy artistry, and walked the Cedar Sink Trail, a trail that reveals the hidden beauty of Kentucky's woodlands. We then delved into the depths of the earth with the Domes and Dripstones tour, where we witnessed the awe-inspiring formations of stalactites and stalagmites. We paddled along the tranquil waters with Mammoth Cave canoe and kayak rental, a perfect way to unwind while surrounded by nature's beauty. Finally, we squeezed through the Fat Man's Misery Tour, a thrilling narrow passage that tests your mettle and leaves you with a sense of accomplishment. So whether you're a thrill seeker, a history buff, or simply a lover of nature, there's something for everyone at Mammoth Cave National Park. Remember, no matter which activities you choose, your visit to Mammoth Cave National Park is sure to be an adventure of a lifetime.